Welcome. If you love saving ideas on Pinterest and want to make sure you never miss a reminder for your favorite pins, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on in-app reminder notifications for your saved pins on Pinterest. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll have the latest instructions at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your saved pins and settings. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture, which you'll find at the very top of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and saved pins live. Once you're on your profile page, look for the notification option. Tap on it to open up your notification settings. Here, Pinterest lets you customize exactly how and when you get notified about activity related to your account. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Pins You Saved. Under this section, you'll find an option called Reminders. Tap on Reminders to open up the specific settings for notifications about your saved pins. Here's where you can decide how you want to be notified. Under the heading, How do you want to be notified, you'll see different options. To make sure you get reminders directly within the Pinterest app, simply toggle on the in-app option. This switch will activate notifications, so you'll receive timely alerts about your saved pins right inside the app. And that's it. You've successfully turned on in-app reminder notifications for your saved pins. Now, Pinterest will keep you updated and help you stay on top of all the creative ideas you want to revisit. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to save it for later and share it with friends who might need a quick Pinterest tip. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.